In this video, you will learn how to add fonts in your Google document. So this is my Google document and these are my fonts. If you click on this triangle, you will see that these are some fonts available by default in our Google document, but there is an option for more fonts. If I click on more fonts, now a new window pops up, and on this window, on the left hand side, a lot of other fonts are available. You can even search for some font. If you have a specific font in your mind, you can search whether it's available or not. So all these fonts you can freely use in your Google document. These are Google fonts. And on the right hand side, you will see a list of fonts which you have recently selected from these fonts. So as you can see that there is one tick. So it means that at some stage I have selected this font in my document and it has been added to my default fonts. I can add as many fonts as I like, and if I click on any of these fonts, a tick sign will appear to show me that I have included this font into my fonts, and the font also appear on the right hand side. If you at some stage want to delete this font, you can just click on this little cross and you can delete it from your fonts, but it will still be available on the left hand side for you to select later on if you like. So this is how you can add fonts. So let's say I add this font which I like, which is this Relieve. So I add this and few other fonts, and then I select OK. So all these fonts will be added. Now I can select any of my text, this subtitle, let's say, and I want this to change to the new font which I have just added, this, and now my subtitle has been changed to this new font. So in this way you can add as many fonts as you want in your Google document. And some of these fonts, if you click on the right triangle of this font, you will see that this font has some variations available as well. You can select this font with 5 different variations. So this is how you add fonts in your Google Docs.